Hey guys, for today's video we are going to be doing a Barbie inspired hairstyle, so let's go ahead and get started. So I've got my pink shirt on, I've got my pink nails, and that is because today's video is in collaboration with Tangle Teezer and their Ultimate Detangler Totally Pink Barbie Brush. Whew, that's a mouthful. This is what it looks like. It is that perfect Barbie nostalgic pink that we all know about. I'm in love. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. And I was so excited to see that they came out with this brush. I did already shower. This brush is great to use in the shower or outside of the shower on wet hair. So I'm gonna take my hair out of this towel, and let me tell you, this is messy. So we are really gonna put this brush to the test. Here's what the brush looks like up close. It has an easy grip handle for comfortable detangling. It's suitable for all hair types. It is literally my favorite brush ever. Obsessed with everything Tangle Teezer comes out with. So when you're using this brush, you want to start at the end of your hair and you want to work your way up. So I cannot get my fingers through my hair right now. Like, it is extremely tangled. So what you want to do is start at the end and then just slowly work your way up to your roots. This brush is seriously great for all hair types. It detangles your hair quickly and it reduces breakage. And by the way, I am not using any product, only this brush. Before this brush, I always had to use hair detangler spray, and then once I found this brush, now I don't have to use hair detangler, I just use this brush. And just like that, my hair is detangled. I will show you. I can literally run my fingers through my hair. It's not catching on anything. We are good to go. You guys know I love my Tangle Teezer. Near and dear to my heart. Wait until you see what else I have. A little mini baby Tangle Teezer brush. It's so cute. This is perfect for on the go, traveling, stick it in your purse, put it in your car, give it to your kid. Obsessed. Mama, baby, I love it. So cute. So I'll be sure to include a link to this Ultimate Detangler Totally Pink Barbie brush in my description box. Be sure to check it out. So for this Barbie hairstyle, you want to take some smoothing cream. I will link this in my description box. Just put it in your hair, and I'm just going to brush it back a little bit, and then I'm going to section off some hair in the front, and I'm going to clip it away. I'm curious to know if anyone else played with Barbies growing up. My parents didn't have a lot of money, so I didn't have a ton of Barbies, but I had a couple, and they were like everything to me. I specifically had a Barbie convertible that I will never forget. That was like my favorite thing ever. So now I'm using more cream to smooth my hair, and then I'm also using my Ultimate Detangler Totally Pink Barbie brush to smooth away any flyaways. And then I'm just using my favorite hair ties and putting my hair into a ponytail, and I am making this a high ponytail. Then with the hair hanging out in front, I am going to use some more cream, surprise, surprise, because my hair is so frizzy these days. And I'm just smoothing out that section, and I'm just going to take that section and wrap it around my ponytail. So this is going to hide our ponytail. Make sure it's smooth. You can see I'm kind of smoothing out some of those bumps, and I am wrapping it tight. This is not a loose wrap. This is a tight wrap. When you wrap it tight, it kind of lifts your ponytail up to give it that, you know, Barbie look. And then once I get towards the ends, I'm just sticking a bobby pin up into my ponytail, and I'm just spraying hairspray all around to make sure it stays in place, brushing out my ponytail. Now I'm taking my pink hair straightener, and we're just gonna do a little flipper root at the bottom. So I just kind of go down my hair like I'm straightening it, and then flip my ends up towards the sky. I realized I was doing it too small, so then I just started flipping it higher up, and it gave me a bigger flip. Did this all the way around, and I got that perfect Barbie looking ponytail. I love this. This is not something I ever wear, but I think I'm probably gonna start doing it more often. I think it is adorable. Definitely gives off a Barbie vibe. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So that is it. That is the video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Tangle Teezer for sponsoring this video. Again, be sure to click the link in my description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We are almost at 300,000 subscribers, which is mind-blowing, crazy. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.